Welcome to back my channel. Your tutorial point. Today I will explain the how to prevent this 10 types of phishing. I will explain how to save your data and your personal information, your PC, your laptop, your mobile. You can take these 10 actions and you can save mode in this cyber attacks. Please subscribe our VGR tutorial point. Please share, please like, please comment our old channel Tech Dude 8481. Let us go to the screen. Now I will explain 10 types of phishing prevents attacks of the cybersecurity. Let us go to the screen. Hi, welcome to back my channel Vijaya Tutorial. Today is the most cyber attacks is the how to prevent phishing. The what are the phishing? 10 types of phishing is there cyber attacks. The learn identify phishing. First one is the urgency and money bets and grammar mistakes, impression messages. This is the usage. The second one, don't fall into the false sense of securities. Beware of swear phishings, learn, recognize targeted phishing tactic. Don't click on that links, triple check the authenticity. Every email, don't click the links inside the email message. You can check this. This is the one type of phishing technology in cyber attacks. Don't trust unsecure sites. The ensure that URL of the website start with HTTPS. These websites can utilize. Don't use without HTTP websites. It is the malware content. The hackers is the attack in the back and loopholes must there this without HTTP sites. Ensure there is closed padlock icon next to the URL. Don't disclose the personal information. Never enter personal information on suspected sites. Do not share sensitive information in your social media. This is the utilizing the prevent of the phishing purpose. You take action. This all are 10. Update regularly. Keep your software update regularly. Turn on automatic updates. Always update your browsers. It is very useful to you are prevent your system hack and stolen your data and patent and personal things. Black pop-ups and prevent phishing scam. Use pop-up blocker and anti-phishing add-ons. Always close pop-ups using the X in one of the corner. Enable to FA with web authentication. U2F security keys. Develop two factors authentication. Two-factor authentications are multi-factors authentication, and the multi-factor authentication for all your users. Use web authentication. U and 2 security keys prevent phishing. The enable firewalls, always enable filters on your email service. Use networking firewall and desktop firewall also. It is built in OS Windows. Now this is the big defender in the Windows 10 and Windows 11 automated built-in OS. You enable that. Raising phishing awareness, conducting security training for your employees. Be aware from other kinds of cyber attack. These all are preventing phishing technologies. You can subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you.